In 2024, smart EDC gear and gadgets are redefining convenience, efficiency, and innovation. From multifunctional tools to high-tech organizers, these 25 carefully curated gadgets are designed to simplify your daily routines, enhance productivity, and boost preparedness. Whether you're looking for compact power solutions, innovative storage, or tech-savvy safety essentials, these EDC items merge practicality with cutting-edge technology, making them well worth the investment for anyone looking to upgrade their carry essentials. Without further ado, let's get started. In challenging outdoor environments, a reliable compact compass is invaluable for accurate navigation. Introducing the Path 22 coin-size compass. A beautifully minimalist yet robust compass that combines elegance with utility. Made from solid brass or grade 5 titanium, it is designed to withstand the harshest conditions, making it an essential addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear. Its IPX8 waterproof rating ensures durability, while its luminous dial provides visibility in low light conditions. Path 22 offers customizable versatility with interchangeable compass cores. Choose between liquid-filled for stability or air-filled for quick response, allowing you to adapt based on your needs. With a compact keychain design, this compass can be effortlessly attached to your keys, backpack, or gear, keeping it accessible and secure for any adventure. Path 22 empowers you to navigate with confidence, blending beauty and toughness in one seamless tool. For those seeking a compact and reliable multi-tool for everyday use, having one that fits seamlessly in your wallet is invaluable. The SUPRA TAG Credit Card Multifunctional Plier redefines convenience with its ultra-lightweight, pocket-friendly design. This credit card-sized multi-tool combines 14 essential tools into one compact package, making it perfect for everyday carry. Crafted from RWL 34 steel and aerospace-grade titanium, it offers durability and toughness while remaining lightweight. The Supra includes pliers, a knife, wire cutters, a box cutter, a bottle opener, multiple hex drives, and metric wrenches, all designed to handle quick fixes on the go. Its tech-friendly design also allows it to function as a USB holder or attach to the back of your phone. With swappable handles and hex tools, you can easily customize it to suit your needs. Airplane-friendly and TSA compliant, this versatile tool also includes rubber holders for extra security and titanium-coated hex bits for enhanced wear resistance. The SUPRA TAG combines innovation, portability, and practicality, providing a powerful toolbox that fits right in your wallet. For those inspired to create digital art on the go, having a portable and responsive artboard is essential. Meet the minbay Pixel Artboard EDC Art Kit, a lightweight, compact drawing tablet perfect for spontaneous creativity. Designed with portability in mind, this artboard is ideal for game enthusiasts and developers, allowing them to sketch characters or game assets anytime, anywhere. The intuitive interface features responsive, one-finger painting, a pinch-to-zoom option, and undo or redo buttons for seamless creativity. The minbay Pixel Artboard includes various line styles and a paint bucket tool for effortless color filling, making it easy to bring pixel art visions to life. You can save up to 20,000 creations and up to 3,000 drawing steps, enabling you to revisit, modify, or share your art process. With up to 8 hours of battery life and Type-C charging, this artboard keeps up with even the longest creative sessions. Compact and powerful, the minbay Pixel Artboard is an ideal tool for pixel artists to express and share their imagination. For those who face unexpected fixes daily, a compact, reliable multi-tool is essential. Meet the Leatherman Micra Mini Tool, a small yet powerful everyday companion that fits conveniently on a keyring or in your pocket. Despite its compact 2.5-inch size and lightweight 1.8-ounce design, it offers 10 practical tools, including robust spring-action scissors, perfect for quick cuts. The tool also includes a small knife, medium screwdriver, nail file, and nail cleaner, all accessible with a simple rotation. Additionally, a flat Phillips screwdriver, extra small screwdriver, tweezers, and bottle opener offer versatility for on-the-go tasks. Crafted in classic stainless steel or with a durable ceramic coating in various colors, the Micra is durable and easy to carry. Ruler markings on the handles allow for quick measurements, while a split ring ensures convenient attachment. With the Micra Mini tool, you'll be prepared for a range of everyday challenges with an ultra-compact solution. For those who need a notebook that stands up to the toughest conditions, a durable writing solution is essential. The Ascent Indestructible notebook and pen set is crafted to endure extreme environments, making it ideal for adventurers and professionals alike. This set includes a pocket-sized notebook with a genuine carbon fiber cover for a sleek, lightweight look, and 100% waterproof stone paper that resists oil, mud, and more. Built for versatile outdoor use, the Ascent notebook is available in 2 sizes and features easy page removal and refillability, enhancing its sustainability and long-lasting design. Paired with an aerospace-grade aluminum pen that includes a NASA-approved Fisher Space refill, it's ready for any writing challenge, whether in zero gravity, underwater, or in extreme temperatures. The innovative magnetic field-inspired design allows the pen to attach securely to the notebook, keeping it conveniently within reach. With distinct styles like Galaxy and Starlight, the Ascent set is a reliable space-inspired tool that's ready for any adventure. When traveling or commuting, keeping your belongings safe and organized is essential. Introducing the KORIN SNAPPACK bag, an advanced anti-theft solution that combines sleek design with practical functionality. Crafted from durable/resistant materials, this bag is designed to safeguard your valuables with features like lockable zippers, hidden pockets, and RFID blocking technology, ensuring your personal information stays secure. The bag is also highly practical, with multiple compartments and a padded laptop sleeve to keep electronics organized and protected. Comfort is a key focus, with padded adjustable straps and a breathable back panel for all-day wearability. Additionally, the SNAPPACK bag includes a built-in USB charging port, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Whether for daily commutes or travel adventures, the KORIN SNAPPACK bag is the perfect blend of security, convenience, and comfort, offering peace of mind while you're on the move. In today's fast-paced world, having a portable yet powerful media solution is essential for on-the-go entertainment. The PIQO powerful pocket projector offers an unmatched viewing experience in a compact, 2-inch cube design. Despite its small size, it delivers a stunning 1080p HD projection of up to 240 inches, transforming any environment into a personal theater. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Hi-Fi speakers, it connects wirelessly to all your devices, allowing for streaming from platforms like Netflix and YouTube. The projector also features intelligent keystone autocorrection, ensuring perfect image alignment on any surface, even uneven ones. Powered by Android, PIQO offers 5 hours of battery life, making it ideal for travel, work, school, or leisure. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or hosting parties, the PIQO delivers vibrant, cinema-quality visuals and crisp audio wherever you are. Its ultra portability and ease of use make it the perfect solution for entertainment on the go. In today's world, staying organized and keeping track of your belongings is essential, especially when it comes to your keys. Meet the KeySmart Pro Key Organizer tool, a smart and compact solution for keeping your keys organized while also incorporating advanced technology. This innovative key holder not only keeps your keys neatly in place, but also features tile tracker technology, allowing you to locate your keys using the Tile app on your phone. If your keys are misplaced, simply trigger them to play a tune, making it easier to find them. Additionally, you can use the KeySmart Pro to find your missing phone by pressing a button on the organizer to make it ring, even if it's on silent. The tool also offers customization with a range of mini accessories like bottle openers and multi-tools to enhance its functionality. With its sleek design and smart features, the KeySmart Pro is the ultimate key holder and organizer for both men and women. Having a reliable fire source is essential for survival during outdoor adventures, especially when unexpected situations arise. Introducing the Exotac Original Fire Sleeve, a waterproof and floatable sleeve designed to protect your lighter and keep it functional in extreme conditions. This durable sleeve ensures your lighter stays dry, preventing corrosion of the flint and ensuring that it can perform when you need it most. The safety cap keeps water out and prevents accidental fuel button presses, saving you from an empty lighter when you need it most. Another notable feature is the gas lock strap, which allows you to hold the gas button down while keeping your fingers away from the flame, making it ideal for lighting campfires or stoves in tight spots. The fire sleeve is designed for convenience and reliability, with a replaceable lighter, making it a must-have for anyone serious about outdoor survival and fire safety. With this compact and practical tool, you'll always have a dependable fire starter on hand. For versatile, on-the-go illumination, having a compact, powerful flashlight is essential. Meet the OLIGHT Arkfeld. Flat flashlight. A dual-light EDC tool designed for convenience and functionality. Its ultra-thin flat body is comfortable to hold and easily fits in your pocket. Weighing only 3.07 ounces and just 0.59 inches thick. Equipped with a high-output white LED offering 5 brightness levels of up to 1000 lumens, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Additionally, the green beam, emitting less than or equal to 0.39 milliwatts as a Class 1 laser, is ideal for presentations, on-duty use, and even pet playtime. The Arkfeld's memory function saves your preferred mode, ensuring it's ready at a moment's notice. For hands-free convenience, the flashlight includes a sturdy pocket clip and a magnetic attachment, letting you secure it to any metal surface effortlessly. The Arkfeld flat flashlight brings both functionality and sleek design, making it the ultimate everyday carry lighting solution. Having a reliable compact power bank makes a significant difference when on-the-go power is essential. The Nitecore USB-C compact power bank delivers an impressive 10,000 mAh of charging capacity in a portable, lightweight design. It offers a versatile USB-C output that supports QC and PD fast charging protocols, allowing it to recharge various devices quickly and efficiently. This power bank also provides added utility in low-light situations, featuring an emergency 50-lumen LED light. At just 3.5 inches in length, the ergonomic shape and non-slip texture fit comfortably in pockets and bags, making it easy to carry on trips or in emergencies. With IPX5 water resistance, it withstands light splashes, and its durable design resists impact from drops up to 1 meter. The power bank is not only convenient, but also robust enough for everyday carry, ensuring that you're prepared to keep your devices powered and connected wherever you go. When you need a streamlined way to carry essentials, a compact solution is invaluable. The KeyClip Light Wallet 2.0 is a minimalist, accessible wallet that organizes keys, cards, cash, and tools in one sleek stack. Slightly larger than a credit card, this wallet can be customized with your choice of 3 sizes and 4 color options, fitting perfectly into any lifestyle. Constructed with a durable stainless steel clip and CNC machined aluminum cover, it holds up to 8 cards, 6 keys, or a mix of tools, all secured in a space-saving design. The built-in omnidirectional flashlight ensures visibility at night, rotating easily for a targeted spotlight. With 24-hour battery life, easy battery replacement, and smooth, non-jingling key rotation, KeyClip combines function with style. Added security features, including RFID blocking for card protection, and durable materials such as 301 stainless steel and carbon fiber, ensure premium quality and safety. Configurable and comfortable, the KeyClip Light Wallet brings effortless organization to your pocket. For hands-free convenience and easy access to essentials on the go, a stylish compact bag is indispensable. Introducing the DMLuna Mini Stylish Belt Bag, a trendy, lightweight, and versatile accessory designed for both men and women. Perfect for casual and fashionable looks alike, this unisex mini crossbody bag combines style with functionality in a range of vibrant colors. Crafted from high-quality water-resistant polyester, it's durable, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. With a spacious main compartment and 3 mesh pockets, it securely holds daily essentials like your phone, wallet, keys, passport, and more, while a convenient front pocket provides quick access to frequently used items. The bag's wide, adjustable strap allows for various wearing styles, as a crossbody, waist pack, shoulder bag, or handbag, making it ideal for activities such as traveling, running errands, cycling, or hiking. With the DMLuna Mini Belt Bag, enjoy a blend of practicality and style for any adventure. In today's world, cleanliness is essential, especially when it comes to everyday items that we frequently touch. Meet the CleanLight Mini by KeySmart, a portable and lightweight sterilizer that effectively kills 99.99% of germs and bacteria in just 3 minutes. This compact device is perfect for sanitizing personal items such as cups, silverware, pens, credit cards, and more, all while being powered by your phone. No cords or chargers needed. Its small size means it won't add bulk to your keychain, making it incredibly easy to carry around. The CleanLight Mini can be conveniently attached to your keyring or KeySmart, so it's always accessible when you need it. Additionally, it includes a wrist lanyard for added security, ensuring you can safely store it in your pocket or keep it within reach. With its rapid sterilization and portability, the CleanLight Mini is the ideal solution for on-the-go hygiene. Having a reliable and versatile keychain or tool holder is essential for carrying small essentials while on the go. Introducing the RovyVon U8 Titanium Carabiner, a lightweight and durable solution crafted from high-quality titanium, ensuring strength and reliability. Its quick-release gate allows for easy attachment to bags, belts, or other gear, making it a convenient accessory for everyday carry. This carabiner is not only designed to securely organize your keys, but also offers versatility with its built-in bottle opener, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, or travel. Its compact design makes it easy to carry without adding bulk, and its CNC craftsmanship guarantees long-lasting durability. The RovyVon is a practical tool that can be used for organizing keys, small tools, and other essential items while ensuring easy access whenever needed. Whether you're at work, on a hike, or just out and about, this titanium carabiner is a functional and stylish addition to your gear collection. Having a reliable, versatile pocket knife is essential for everyday tasks, from cutting to self-defense. Meet the WESN Allman Best Pocket Knife, a perfect blend of design, craftsmanship, and functionality. Designed with precision, this knife strips away unnecessary features, focusing on what truly matters. A well-crafted tool that gets the job done. The Allman combines exceptional materials such as G10 scales or a titanium handle for durability, while its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. Available in a variety of eye-catching colors, including midnight mustard and blacked out, this knife allows you to choose one that reflects your style. With its compact size and versatile functionality, the Allman is ideal for everyday carry, whether you're at work, on a hike, or in an emergency. This knife is not just about utility, it's about craftsmanship and bringing innovation to a timeless tool. The WESN Allman is a must-have for those who appreciate quality and design in their everyday carry gear. Having a compact yet functional wallet is essential for keeping your essentials organized and secure without the bulk. The Gear Infusion Ultra Slim Minimalistic Wallet offers the perfect solution for those seeking a sleek and efficient wallet. Designed with an expandable strap track elastic channel, it provides easy access to both cards and cash while remaining slim and unobtrusive. This wallet includes RFID protection, ensuring that your sensitive card information stays safe from unauthorized digital scans. Constructed using CNC machined premium materials, it offers durability and elegance, making it a long-lasting and stylish accessory for any occasion. Its minimalistic design allows for effortless carry, providing just enough space for the essentials without excess bulk. The wallet is available in various colors to match your style, making it a versatile addition to your everyday carry. Whether you're on the go or at a formal event, this wallet delivers functionality, security, and style in one compact package. Having the right tools on hand is essential for tackling a wide range of tasks, from home repairs to outdoor adventures. Introducing the Tactica Lightweight Hex Drive Toolkit, a compact, ultra-lightweight solution designed to be your go-to tool for any situation. Featuring a 14-slot hex drive magazine and an integrated holster, this toolkit ensures you have the necessary tools with you wherever you go, whether it's on your belt, fridge, or bag. With 12 of the most common hex bits, plus 2 extra slots for customization, it offers versatility for all your DIY projects, bike repairs, camera adjustments, and more. The magnetic retention ensures the hex bits stay securely in place during use, while the high torque drive allows you to handle even the toughest screws. Its integrated 2-inch extender helps reach tight spaces with ease. Made from an advanced engineering-grade composite, the toolkit is lightweight, TSA-friendly, and perfect for everyday carry or travel. Staying powered up on the go is crucial, especially when you're away from traditional outlets. Meet the Anker Wireless Powerbank, an innovative solution for your charging needs. With a capacity of 10,000 mAh, this powerbank supports wireless charging up to 10 watts for your phones, earbuds, and other Qi-certified devices, ensuring you can power up without needing any cables. For faster charging, the high-speed USB-C and USB-A ports provide up to 18 watts of power, making it perfect for tablets, iPhones, and other devices. It also features a desktop mode, where you can connect the power bank via USB-C to charge your device wirelessly while replenishing the internal battery. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for travel, and the included USB-C to USB-C cable and travel pouch make it easy to carry. Whether you're in the office or on the move, the Anker power bank ensures your devices stay charged and ready for anything. Having access to essential tools in a compact form can make all the difference in daily tasks or outdoor adventures. Introducing the Micro Novelty Pocket Tool 2.0, a 30-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool that fits conveniently into your wallet, making it the ultimate EDC companion. This pocket-sized tool includes everything from a bottle opener and Phillips screwdriver to a pocket knife, saw, and a variety of wrenches and rulers, offering a wide range of functions for both everyday tasks and emergencies. Constructed from durable 420-grade stainless steel, it is robust yet lightweight, weighing only 90 grams for easy portability. Its foldable design allows for a sleek, compact form that fits seamlessly into your wallet or pocket. With its antique finish and stylish design, this multi-tool also makes for a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, travels, or simply needs a reliable tool on hand. The Micro Novelty Pocket Tool 2.0 is a versatile, convenient, and durable solution for all your multitasking needs. Staying organized while on the go is essential for keeping your essentials easily accessible and secure. Meet the Bellroy Venture Pouch, a multi-purpose, tough accessory made to protect and organize your little necessities while you go on your daily adventures. Perfect for everyday carry, hiking, biking, or travel, this pouch features a front pocket with an internal divider, ideal for organizing items like earbuds, lip balm, and snacks. The main compartment includes a soft-lined phone sleeve to protect your device, while external gear loops offer convenient attachment points for additional items. Crafted from water-resistant fabric and equipped with coated zippers, it ensures your belongings stay safe and dry in various conditions. Made with sustainable materials, including recycled plastics and industrial nylon offcuts, this pouch combines practicality with eco-consciousness. Whether clipped to your bag or carried in hand, the Bellroy Venture Pouch is a reliable and stylish solution for organizing your essentials, from small everyday items to outdoor necessities. Being prepared for unexpected situations is key to ensuring safety and survival during outdoor adventures. For adventurers, the Slide Belt Survival Belt 2.0 offers a distinctive and adaptable solution by fusing traditional design with tough functionality. Designed for hikers, campers, and those who like to be prepared, this belt features a survival buckle that houses essential tools, including a knife with a blade lock, an LED flashlight, a ferrocerium fire starter rod, and a bottle opener. The strap is crafted with a durable, leather-free TPU alloy, coating over an internal webbing core, ensuring high tensile strength and resistance to harsh elements. It's engineered to remain rigid and free from twisting, providing a custom fit with continuous notches for easy adjustments. The belt is UV protected, heat resistant, and frost flex capable, making it suitable for all-weather use. With its water-resistant and easy-to-clean design, the Survival Belt 2.0 is the perfect accessory for those seeking both practicality and style on their outdoor adventures. When versatility and practicality are essential, having a reliable multi-tool at hand can make all the difference. Introducing the Night Caliber X-Pocket Multi-Tool, crafted to blend style, functionality, and convenience in one compact design, making it an ideal companion for adventurers, DIY enthusiasts, and outdoor lovers. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it offers single-handed accessibility, so you can tackle tasks with ease. This multi-tool is packed with 17 features, including an adjustable wrench, serrated knife, screwdriver with bit holders, saw, wood chisel, and even a fire starter for emergencies. Additional tools such as a rope cutter, bottle and can openers, hammer, nail puller, file, pry tool, AWL, and center punch provide all-around utility for any situation. Built to fit seamlessly in your pocket or backpack, it's perfect for road trips, hiking, camping, or even as an essential tool on your motorcycle, bicycle, or boat. The Nite Caliber X is designed to handle tough tasks while looking sleek and cool, ensuring you're always ready for the next challenge. When it comes to organizing essentials for daily adventures or travel, a versatile bag is a must. The KAVU EDC rope sling bag has gained popularity as a durable and stylish option, featuring a unique climbing rope strap and an ergonomic teardrop shape that fits comfortably against the body. This bag offers ample storage through multiple pockets, making it practical for everything from work commutes to outdoor excursions. Each year, KAVU releases over 60 limited edition prints, ensuring a one-of-a-kind look that's rarely repeated. Made in Vietnam in a facility that meets high environmental standards, each bag undergoes over 120 precise sewing processes, ensuring quality and longevity. With a legacy rooted in craftsmanship, the KAVU rope bag is designed for those seeking function, comfort, and a splash of personal style in their daily carry. This bag has truly become a timeless icon in the world of day packs, embodying both adventure and quality. For anyone who needs a versatile, heavy-duty tool for daily use, outdoor adventures, and pet care, a reliable multifunctional carabiner is essential. Meet the GPCA Carabiner X-Grip, designed with a rugged build, combining utility and comfort for a variety of tasks. Made from solid CNC machined materials, it offers an ergonomic grip, fitting comfortably in any hand and supporting even strong pulls during hikes or walks. This carabiner goes beyond traditional designs with a secure pocket and belt clip, allowing hands-free carrying in any outfit. A dedicated leash zone provides a reliable spot to tether pets, featuring an adjustable, durable leash with 6-core rope construction for added strength. Unique elements like a hidden capsule for small messages or essentials add extra utility. With an international patent pending, the GPCA X-Grip embodies a next-level approach to essential gear, serving as an EDC, pet accessory, and heavy-duty tool for the toughest of adventures.